Hey everyone, this is Alvin on behalf of Neil Napier and the rest of the KV Social team. Before I get started, I just want to make sure that you can hear me and if you can see the screen as well. Give me a quick one or a yes if both the audio and the video is coming through loud and clear. Let me know what also what part of the world you're watching this webinar from. All right. So for those who are outside of the U.S., you might notice that we are I think 1 hour advanced or 1 hour late. Yeah. So for those outside of the U.S., we it's just starting the daily savings time. So we are basically moving all the emails and the webinars 1 hour ahead of schedule. So I want to make sure that is clear because I got a couple of emails earlier saying that hey, the webinar is not started. It still says reminder it will start in 1 hour. So yeah, that explains that. So I hope that's clear for everyone. But for those for like Joy, for Marcus and others, that's pretty clear because uh, they're in the US base. All right, so on your screen right now, you should be seeing awesome lead magnets in just 3 steps. And there's actually quite a hint for you here. Just want to make it clear to everyone who's on the call that we will be offering you a software that we highly recommend for anyone who wants to generate leads and to provide a freebie. Okay, so I just want to make that clear. There is going to be an offer at the end of this call. Yeah, again, it's completely optional. Depends on you. If you already have something similar to this, then just enjoy the webinar. But yeah, we're just going to make that very clear and just be honest with everyone that there is going to be an offer at the end of the call. Okay, so let's talk about lead magnets, and I'm going to show you some examples as well. And perhaps these are pages that you have signed up to before, or perhaps it's completely new to you. Now, first, who here have signed up to an email list to get a free ebook? Who here have done that in the past? Give me a yes or a one if you have, or a two if you've never seen a lead magnet or if you have never signed up to an email list to get something for free. So Joy says one, Marcus saying one, James is saying one as well. Ebitai is saying one as well. Again, I do apologize. I only see your email address there, not your first name. Okay. So I think almost everyone who's on the call today have signed up to a newsletter or have bought a product and signed up with their email address. Because you wouldn't be on this call if you haven't signed up to our newsletter, haven't bought any of our products, or perhaps sent out or click on an offer, bought it, or perhaps just signed up to get a freebie. Right? You wouldn't be on this call, you wouldn't be on this webinar if you have not signed up to anything. Now, if you have done this, that freebie, that free ebook, or that anything that's given for free, you've signed up because you think that is a valuable gift or a valuable tool that you can use in the future, right? Is it safe to assume that you signed up because you saw value with the offer that you're gonna get? Right? For every sign up that you do, you always think about, is this worth my time? Is this worth giving away my email address to get this? Right? And for everything in life is pretty much like that. Now, this is a good example of how an ebook can be positioned as something that is very valuable and has sold even on Amazon. Now, who here is familiar with Russell Brunson? Now, Russell Brunson technically is a competitor of Kyvio, with our solution, but he we can't deny it, right? He's an awesome guy who provides awesome value with the ebooks and with the training he creates. Now, this is a good example of offering value through content, right? So let me just hide this here. There we go. Now, why I chose this, because this ebook has actually become very viral on Facebook. He ran some Facebook ads and he got thousands of leads just for maybe $5, $10, and practically he's getting a lot of email addresses. And of course, since those are verified email addresses, he can continue to mail that list every time he has something to offer. And this entire process works in three simple steps. There's three simple steps to create an evergreen lead magnet. And I'm going to show you that here. First, offer value with your freebie. Again, if your freebie, I hate to hate it, is crap, no one will sign up. Or perhaps if you, let's say for example, you hype the product so much, you hype the freebie so much that this is gonna be the only thing you need to make money. This this is how I created my $1 million business overnight by following this simple strategy. Let's say you do that, you hype it up, and then the end result is just crap content, right? It's just going to be selling stuff. It's just going to be some very basic stuff that people already know about. What will happen there, right? What will happen there is that people will lose their trust in you. And this is why you need to create content that is valuable to your customers. You need to grab content that is something that they can actually use, not just some overhyped stuff that everybody hates. So let me actually go back to the question here. Who here have signed up to an email list only to get a bad freebie that you will never be able to use, something useless, or something that doesn't offer much? It wasn't even worth it to provide your email address. And did that actually make you feel that you're just wasting your time and you will never buy from this person ever again? Yes, yes, yes. All of you, or most of us, have experienced that, right? And that's why giving away just something for, or giving away bad products, even if they got it for free, is not a good business plan. It sucks, because the most effective way you can build the trust of your customers and get them to follow you and buy anything that you have to recommend is to provide amazing content. All right. By the way, is everything clear so far? Give me a yes. Is everything clear so far about the freebie and why you should provide value every single time and not just overhype stuff? If you agree, type in a 10, and if everything is clear, well, type in a 1 or a 10. And if it's not clear, let me know. All right, perfect. So guys, again, I'd like to get your feedback on this because this is going to be something very valuable, not just even if you don't buy the product that we're going to be selling at the end. I just want to make this very clear because it actually damages everyone's reputation. Let's say, for example, if you're into online marketing and I'm into online marketing and we provide freebies that are bad, it actually affects everyone in the whole industry, right? So offering value is not just something that we recommend to you guys to you guys, but it's something that everyone should do, right? Because again, you don't want to be disappointed with what you got when you sign up for something that sounded so good, only to get disappointed with the end results. All right, so first, let's say for example you're an awesome writer. Let's say you're someone who can write content. Now, an estimate, a single page usually takes anywhere from 3 to 10 hours to make, right? You have to write the content, you have to format it, you have to get some images and all, right? So that's well, a bit of a stretch. So if you need to write 8 pages, 10 pages, multiply that with a 3 time multiple, right? Or multiply that with a 10x multiple. So it takes like 100 hours to create a 10-page ebook, right? Just given that you know what to write and you can offer so much value with writing your own content. And if you can't write, well, it gets a bit more expensive. Now, on the average, it takes anywhere from $150 to $500 to get an ebook written. And if you talk about PLR, well, I would say, well, they're good solutions, but I don't want to bother. For me, I don't want to bother with cheap, outdated ebooks. Actually, let me show you a good resource for PLR just in case you might consider that option. All right. So let me see IDPLR. So it's idplr.com. So let me know once you see that page on the screen right now. Now, this is actually a site that you can sign up to and get some freebies that you can use. Now, I could say, yes, they are free. They have PLR rights, but the the stuff isn't good, right? In fact, most of the content here are way back from last year, from 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago. And yeah, that means you're providing some tips, some strategy that was 2 3 years ago. Now if that was about Facebook marketing, it was about YouTube marketing, don't you think your customers will say, hey, this doesn't look the same way as what Facebook advertising looks like now? This must be really old and therefore is no longer effective for my campaigns, right? That sucks. That really sucks because that customer will never trust you again because you provided bad content. All right. So again, for me, I would say that don't even bother with outdated ebooks or PLR products that might that because of that you might lose that customer forever. And a lot of marketers offer these bad bonuses, and the customers will never trust it. They wonder why that customer has never clicked on an affiliate link. They wonder why that customer reported the email as spam, right? Exactly. Exactly. Mandy's saying this. Let me show what Mandy has to say, right? So Mandy's saying you have to check. You always have to rework the PLR, no matter how recent it is. Otherwise, it is not your stamp on it, right? It's not your name on it, and it could just be there for that writer to get more leads. They might even steal your leads. And these are bad bonuses. Hype plus a bad offer equals to no customer. That will result to no customers, no repeat business whatsoever. Who here agrees with me? Give me a yes if you agree with this. You offer bad value and overhype stuff, you end up with no customers at all. Yes, yes, yes. Mandy says yes. Joy says yes. Info at EH Team says yes as well. Right? All of you guys know the feeling and wouldn't want to do the same to your customers. What if you could actually write the perfect ebook in just a few minutes? And that's what I'm going to show you today. All right. And this software is called Scribble. And let me show you why it's going to be one of the best investments you can make if you want to provide the best bonuses to your customers. All right. So yeah, guys, let me know if you're ready. Give me a one right now in the chat. And I'm going to show you the software. I'm even going to create a custom ebook right here, right now. All right, perfect. So let me just log into here, my browser, and let me see if I'm still logged in, because I've been talking for, well, quite some time. All right, so let me see. All right, here we go. So give me a quick yes if you see the dashboard for Scribble. You should see a very big video here with a button that says start scribbling. All right, perfect. So let me just hide this here and make the questions box a bit smaller. Now on the demo, I might miss a few questions. So if possible, uh, let's do the Q&A at the end of the demo. Okay, the demo should take around 15 minutes for me to do. So yeah, if you have questions, let's hold off that for now, because again, I can't see the questions box while I'm doing the demo, and I'd like to focus on creating this stuff for you here. Okay, so let's start. First is let's click on start scribbling. Again, everything is web-based, so you can use this on a Mac or a PC. As long as you have a browser, you should be able to open this one here. Okay, so you have a template gallery here and a lot of templates that you can use here. Again, anything that doesn't have the Pro ribbon is going to be available on the main offer. Okay, you don't need to upgrade to get those. So there's a couple of templates here. So let's go around and explain here. We have SEO, we have Internet Marketing Funnels Explained, Easy Marketing, Twitter Marketing Blueprint, SEO friendly blogs, Facebook Ad Strategy Manual, starting your eBay business store, blogging brilliance, email persuasion. Right, all of these are templates. Now this does not have content yet. We still have to add the content ourselves. All right, so if you can see the preview here, we already have an e-cover, we already have the table of contents, we already have some images here. Again, all of these are just placeholders. You can customize it, right? But the content is not available there yet. So let me actually show you an example. Let me actually send this to everyone here as a handout. All right, give me 1 second here. So I actually have created a Facebook marketing PDF earlier while I was playing around with the tool. Right, as you can see, it's well, I haven't really customized this. It only took like 5 minutes to it. I didn't really add my Facebook details here, but you get the gist of how this system works. Let me actually send this to you so you can review it as a handout. Let me send this here. All right, give me 1 second. And do let me know once you get this. All right, there you go. So yeah, give me a quick yes if you see the handout there. It should be under handouts on your GoToWebinar. And if you don't see it, just type in no in the chat and I'll try to upload this if I can. All right, got it. Yeah, review it and let me know what do you think. Now, would you believe that that took less than 5 minutes to do. If I told you that all the content, all the formatting, and everything, customization a bit, only took less than 5 minutes. I could even just count the clicks on how many clicks I did to get that published, right? It's so easy to do. And let me show you how you can do this. All right. So let me show you how you can do this with Scribble. All right. So you have the templates here. All you have to do is select a template, right? Let's say, for example, I want to use this easy email marketing. I'm going to click on use. I'm going to select a project name for this. Let's say, for example, email marketing 101. Click on next. Now, I have 5 options here. I can grab a URL. I can start from scratch, right? So you'll have a template and you can add your content to it. Oh, sorry about that. Let me go back. I think the screen is full. Right. So you should see my screen right now. So going back, let's click on easy email marketing as our template. Okay. Click on use, and we just need to put in an ebook name. Can everyone see it, by the way? Just making sure that the screen isn't frozen. Okay. All right. Perfect. Perfect. So yeah, let me just move this around. I really need to get a secondary monitor one of these days. Anyways, yeah, we have an ebook name. Click on next, and from this step, we only need we have 5 options to where or how to generate the content. First is you can start from scratch, right? This option will allow you to use the chosen template with dummy content on it and replace the dummy content of your own, right? So if you're a writer and you're looking for a publishing tool to make your job a lot easier, or you're tired of paying graphic designers to create your ebook or format it, then this is a good solution for you as well, right? If you already have content, let's say your blog, right, and you want to copy it and paste it here manually, you can do that as well. You have that option. You can also upload a Word or text file, or if you do have the upgraded version or the pro version, you can source an article collection here from the built-in library. But what really makes this an awesome tool are not these 4. What makes this as an amazing tool is this one. Can you see this? Grab from URL, right? If you do need to spin the content, let's say for example, if you want to do that, then what I suggest is you grab the content manually and put it in your spinner first, and then just upload it to here as a Word document. If you use a spinner, okay? This doesn't have any built-in spinner. It's a ebook creation studio and formatting tool. Okay. Yeah, Jesse, let me know if that answered your question. So yeah, if you need you have a spinner, get the content from the website you want to spin. Get it spun with your content spinner, and upload that data in as a Word document inside of Scribble. All right. Not exactly. So Jesse is asking, so this is meant to work only with your own articles you generate? Not exactly, right? So you can grab content from any website. Again, I would suggest editing it, or at least give attribution to that site. Okay, so that's what I recommend. If you're providing it as a freebie, you can change a bit of the words there, and again, just add attribution to where you got the original content from. At least you can say that you're giving credit to the original content. Okay, does that make sense? All right. So before we proceed, is everything clear so far? Give me a yes if everything's clear here, and we can proceed and show you the shortcut on how you can use this tool to give you all the bonuses you ever need for promos or for your own lead generation and sales. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna take that as a yes. I have a yes from Mandy and from James, so I'm gonna take a yes as a yes for everybody. Okay, so I'm gonna click on grab URL. Again, I'm lazy. I'm not a good writer. I can't write 10 pages in a day, so I'm just gonna grab some content that I can use. Next step is going to be the website URL where I want to grab the content from. So let's say, for example, I'm gonna do a quick Google search: email marketing basics. Okay, so we have here a blog from Neil Patel. I think everyone knows Neil Patel, right? So he's one of the big names in the online market and SEO space. So we're gonna use or grab the content here. I'm just gonna grab the URL. As you can see, I'm gonna copy that one here, and I'm gonna paste that inside of Scribble. Click on finish. Here we go. Now, Scribble is gonna do magic to this and start getting the content from the site and formatting it into our template. That means the headline, the page of the contents, the title is going to be formatted in this. So can you see this, guys? Let me actually show you a comparison here. All right, let me show you here. Now, from a glance, do you think this is the same as the content that is formatted by Scribble? It looks absolutely unique, right? And again, you can customize this, but look at the formatting here. From a website, it turns it into, right? It turns it into an ebook. So you have your titles here. Again, you can customize this. Again, it doesn't always get 100% correct, but most of the stuff is already here, right? Look at that. It's already formatted for you into an ebook format. Can I use this with any language? Gabriel, I haven't really tried this yet. If you can link me to a article that you want me to convert into an ebook, let's try that out. Okay? I'm gonna make that as a second example for those who are looking for or looking to publish ebooks in a different language. Yeah, just link me one. I don't want to search for one because I don't want to translate what I type in. So look at this, guys. All of this content here is formatted into an ebook format. Now, who here thinks this is awesome? Give me a yes if you think this is going to be an awesome tool for you to create the perfect ebooks every single time, and it takes just less than 5 to 10 minutes to add your own content, to hit customize it, and add even your links to this. Very powerful tool here, guys. Again, you can customize this as well. You can change the colors. You can delete some of the stuff here as well. Or for example, if I want this to be a bit smaller, right? I'm gonna make this a bit smaller here. There we go. I'm gonna make the font just 120, 110. There we go. Right. So again, I can customize this as I want. So I have a question here. Let me just maximize this one here because it's a bit small. All right, there we go. So can I add a video to an ebook? Yes, you can, but I don't really recommend it. I'd rather link it to a YouTube video instead, or Facebook video instead. This way, I also build up my page or my YouTube channel. All right. So again, you can customize it just like this. You can add links to it. You can add your own content here as well. Super easy. Again, if you want to replace the image here, for example, all you have to just click it, and you can add your own image here instead. I even have uh, my picture here if I want to do that. I can delete some of the stuff as well, right? If you want this page to be deleted, there we go. Just like that, you can delete that away here. So let's publish this into an ebook. Okay. So let's save this first. Make sure that our changes are saved. Okay. Yeah, there's really nothing to download and nothing to install. You just simply log in and start creating ebooks from scratch. All right. So we're gonna click on generate ebook. All right. There we go. So yeah, thank you for that, Gabriel. Let me just get that link here and put it into Notepad so we can make that as a second example. Okay. 1 second. There we go. Oh, I actually closed that. I accidentally closed the download PDF. Sorry about that. All right. So while we're waiting for the content to be published as a PDF, let me know if you have any other questions, guys. All right. There we go. So I'm gonna download this one here. It's a PDF, and I'm gonna send this to you as a sample. All right. So this is what the ebook looks like. Again, I didn't really customize this as you saw earlier, but let me actually show you or give you that as a download or as a sample. Okay, so let me see. There we go. Um, and it should now be available in the handout section. Give me a yes if you see that. Okay, perfect, perfect. So yeah, again, super easy, guys. Again, you can now offer this as a freebie or perhaps even sell this if you, especially if you generate your own content. So if you have an old blog and you want to turn that blog into an ebook series, you can do that with Scribble here. You don't even need to copy and paste the content yourself. You just need to put the URL, and Scribble does, I would say 97 or 99% of the work for you. All right, so let's go back to Gabriel's example here. Right, Gabriel earlier asked if you missed the question, if we can use this on a non-English content. All right, so let's start scribbling here again, and let's make another example. All right, so we have here self-publisher, and I think this is in German. Let me see. I could be wrong. Right? Yeah, German. So again, you can see the content is non-English. Let's see if the software or Scribble actually picks it up. So let's say, for example, this is about um, really no idea. Let me see. Self-publishing, I assume. All right. So let's say, for example, I'm gonna use this as a self-publishing ebook, right? So let's use this template here. Again, does it need to match the niche that you have? For email for beginners. Thank you for that, Gabriel. It was very different from what I have. Let's say email for beginners, German. All right. And I'm gonna click on grab from URL, just like before. I'm gonna paste the link. There we go. Click on finish, and let's wait for Scribble to grab the content. Okay. Let's give it a few more seconds. As you can see, we still have a template here, and this should change based on the article title here. There we go.
So information has been retrieved and table of contents has also been added here. So Gabriel, let me know if that is pretty much accurate of what kind of content you would like to publish as an ebook, if you would, if you can do so now. Right? Let me know if this is going to be something that you would be able to use as a freebie. Right? So yeah, the quick answer is that it does support, right? It does support non-English content. So yeah, you can use this. You can add your own stuff here, and you can even add some elements here as well. Right? Once you're done, once you want to publish it, just click on save, and we can publish this as an ebook. Yeah, Gabriel says it looks great, even has AOU. I'm not sure what that means. Oh, you mean the symbols, right? So yeah, so you can grab the content here and publish this as an ebook or as a freebie, or perhaps even sell this in your blog, in your website, in your Kyvio page, for example. Again, you can do this, or you can use this here to generate the freebies that you need to generate leads and sales. Can you gather more than from one site? Let's actually try that. I haven't tried combining multiple sites. So let me try a new article here. So let's say email marketing basics. Let's actually combine the two. Grab the one from Neil Patel here. This awesome content here that we can use. And let's combine the two types of content into one page or into one ebook. Add article. There we go. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So let's see. Let's see if the German content is still available on the bottom. Aha. So you can actually combine two articles. Yeah. So you can only get one article per ebook. Yeah, I think it's there's really no limit to how many pages you can do, but again, it's a short ebook, and I think that makes a bit more. Oh wait, I could be wrong. Let me give me a quick second here. Oh yeah, you can actually combine them. So all you have to do is just add new article here, and you'll be able to combine two uh, two ebooks or two articles into one ebook. Jesse, we don't have a list or a bonus page. We actually stopped creating bonus pages because we want to make sure that the bonuses are going to be available. Give me 1 second here. So let me just send this to you, the list and our link as well. All right, and let me know if that works. Okay, so yeah, I think that answered the question. So the question, I have a question from Open. Open is saying, will the table of contents adjust? Yes. So if I look at it here, we have the German table of contents. Let me see. Oh, no, only the content will change. So you do need to manually add the title if you want to combine two different two different articles into one ebook. Yeah, you need to manually add it up. It doesn't create additional table of contents. Okay, all right. So guys, again,
you see how simple it is. You can even publish this, and of course you can select the pages that you want to just publish, or you want to select all pages as well. You can do that. So you can delete some of the pages there, and of course this also includes commercial rights as well. So you can offer this as a service to your clients. You don't need to upgrade just to get the ability to sell this as a service to clients as well. Again, you get all of this, guys, inside of the software, so you'll be able to create the perfect ebooks for your own business and for your clients as well. So if I have a question here. If I copy the content into a Word doc, to articles, and uploaded the text, would the table of contents reflect that? Yes. So if you get all the content into, let's say for example, into a Word document, right? The two content articles into a Word document and import it, then it should get the table of contents from those from those two sources. Okay. All right. So now you have the perfect bonus already. Right? You have the perfect bonus already. Now let's talk about creating your lead magnet. Now, for those who are unfamiliar with what a lead magnet looks like, let me actually give you an example here. Right? So we're gonna go back to our .com experts, right? So Russell ebook, there we go. So let me show you what a good example of a lead magnet is. So all you have to do is just create a lead magnet just like this. It just maybe one page, doesn't need to be this long, as long as you have the opt-in box above the fold. That means people don't need to scroll down just to see the opt-in. You have a quick video here or just an ebook cover here, and get them to sign up and tell them what they get inside of that ebook so that you convince them to sign up. Right? So create your lead magnet around your ebook or around your business perhaps, and you'll be able to generate leads. Right? That is a good example of an ebook here, or a lead magnet here. But don't worry, we're even going to provide you some done for you lead magnets that we created specifically for this. And step 3 is continue to deliver new ebooks and value to your customers. Now, instead of taking hours and hours to do that, you can now use Scribble to provide all the content you need to keep your customers engaged. And you can even monetize it, right? You can offer them like premium ebooks that they have to buy, or perhaps get them to pay a monthly fee to get the content you're offering. And just like what I mentioned earlier, we have some special bonuses for you guys as well. All right. So first is you're gonna get 3 done for you lead magnets. Again, you're gonna get this either on HTML format or via Kyvio. If you have Kyvio, and if you purchase through our link, all you have to do is just send an email to us, and make sure to send the email you have for Kyvio as well, so that we can provide you we can share to you the 3 done for lead magnets that you can use to generate results. We're also going to be able to provide you a done for you ebook with white label rights. That means we have an ebook that you can use and resell as your own and rebrand as your own content as well. All right, and you also get 10 additional templates inside of Scribble, and of course the ebook profit formula training as well, included as part of the package. All right, so guys, you'll be able to get all 4 bonuses at a one-time price, right? But please do note that the price will increase, right? Will increase by 3 p.m. Eastern today, so make sure to get access to this as soon as possible. All right, so if you want to get access, the link to go to is link.kvsocial.com/scribble. So let me actually recap here of what you're gonna get, And if you're jumping in, give me a one right now in the chat. So this is a one-time fee of only $47, and this already includes the agency website. So it includes a done-for-you agency website that you can use to sell your services with. It also includes commercial license, so you can offer this as a service to as many clients as you want. There is no limit on how many ebooks you can publish with this. You can create as many ebooks as you want. Right? All for a one-time price of only $47. And of course, this also includes a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee if you're not fully satisfied with your purchase. So again, there's really no risk for you here. Just use this tool for the next 30 days, and if you don't generate results with it, all you have to do is just contact support and get a full refund. All right, so guys, if you're jumping in, give me a quick yes or one in the chat. The link is already in the chat, guys. It's link.kvsocial.com/scribble, and let me know if you have any questions or you're jumping in as well. All right, so Bionis is asking, does Scribble create ebook covers? It does actually something more. It creates entire ebooks with their cover there. Okay, let me see. Tony, I'm not sure where you got the link. Oh, give it a few more seconds, guys. I think you're going to the webinar link instead. So give it one more minute, and it should open up by exactly 11 a.m. Can I change the cover of my own? Um, that's a very good question. It actually publishes it via PDF. Let me see if there's a way to publish this on another format. Okay, because what is it's PDF, you do need to convert the PDF into a Word document again and change out the cover again. Yeah, so that might not be possible. Okay, let me give me a few seconds here. Let me just go back and see if there is a way to make that change. Okay, let me see. Now let me actually go back here to exit and save. And let's check that out. So once again, for those who have gotten access to Scribble, make sure to get it through our link. And once you have access, send out a support ticket to us so that we can provide you all the bonuses as well. Okay? Otherwise, we won't be able to provide you the bonuses if you don't send us any link or any receipt. Okay. Let me see. I think I've been logged out for talking too long. So yeah, I think it's PDF. You can't change the e-cover, so that's not possible at the moment. Okay, well, but you can actually create e-covers here as well. So for those who do want to create e-covers, yeah, you can create it here as well. The Final Job software offer is actually part of the upgrade. So I only showed you the main offer. Everything I showed you here is just for the main offer.
Okay. All right. So once again, guys, let me know if you're jumping in. Give me a 1 right now. If you're jumping in for Scribble, again, it is covered a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So you do have a full 30 days to use the software and generate results with it. Yeah, there is also some training included here, as you can see. So yeah, there are tutorials included for the software and for you to use. All right, perfect. So, guys, if you have jump in, and that is awesome. Again, you're gonna get the lowest price possible and all of our exclusive bonuses as well. So let's talk about the Pro upgrade, which is upgrade number 1. Again, there are several upgrades, and we're gonna go through each one and tell you what each one represents and what you're gonna get here. So the first upgrade that you're gonna get after getting access to Scribble is the Pro version. Now, this is for those who want to sell this as a service and wants to create an agency with this. So with this upgrade, you're going to get 150 additional new ebook templates. You're also going to get access to 99,000 article content that you can use, right? So that means there's going to be done for you content that you can use and convert into an ebook. You also get access to 8,900 additional new stock images, and you can sell the designs for profit. Either it's the ebook cover or the entire ebook there. You also get 900 page design layouts, 800 mix and match templates, free agency license, unlimited storage, unlimited use, unlimited customization, and of course free updates as well. So these are just examples of the free templates that you're gonna get access to as well. All right. So as you can see from here, you have 150 book templates and access to 99,000 articles that would cost you maybe or maybe 50 to $100 to source. You get that included with a pro upgrade, and this is valued at $79,000. And of course, you get the agency license as well. All these additional features and freebies if you upgrade to the pro version. All right. So the Pro version currently is available for you at a one-time price of only 97 bucks. Again, if you want to make this big, and if you don't want to run out of content anytime soon and sell the content to your clients, you can go for the Pro version as well, so you never run out of content ever again. I think 99,000 different articles should be enough to last you a lifetime. All right. So if you're getting access to the pro version, type in a number 2 right now in the chat. And if you're on the fence, let me know what's holding you back. Okay. Okay. All right. Let me see. Yeah. So up the upgrades is also covered with a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. So yeah, you can get the upgrade, and if you decide to get a refund for the upgrade, as long as you keep the main offer, you should be able to keep using the software. Again, as long as you keep the base or the main offer there. All right. So let's talk about upgrade number 2. Upgrade number 2 is going to be the Prime version. Again, this is for those who wants to get fresh new designs every single month. Right. So if you want to never run out of designs that you can use on Fiverr, you can use on Upwork, and to turn this into a quick service that you can do really quickly for your customers. And the Prime version is something that you can use all for a one-time price of only 47 bucks. Again, you get new templates delivered to you every month for the next 12 months. That's 15 additional templates every month for the next 12 months, all for a one-time fee of just $47. Right? Designer.io is an awesome tool, Mandy, but from what I remember, it doesn't really publish an ebook from an URL. It just creates the ebook covers per se, right? So they're quite dissimilar in a way, right? So if you have Designer, for example, if you have other ebook creators, then you don't even need to get the Prime version. I would say that. But if you do want to publish your own ebook and you don't want to write the content yourself, then even the main offer is enough to help you get started. So I hope that answers the question. What's the difference between Designer and this and other ebook cover creators? Again, this is not just an ebook creator. It actually formats the content, any URL, any Word document into an ebook for you. So it does more than just covers. All right. So if the Prime upgrade isn't for you, if you don't think you're not gonna really use all 150 that's already included on the main offer, then the 3D flipbooks cover would be something that you can use. Again, this is a bit of a niche. So let's say, for example, you have clients that are into, let's say, uh, let's say into providing ebooks, but not as a download, but as an experience on the website itself. Let's say you're providing like storytelling websites to kids or a recipe website, and you want your customers to stay on the site as long as possible. So you can actually use the Scribble 3D to create a interactive flip book online here, so they can read through their PC, their tablet, or their mobile phone and feel that they're reading through an actual book, right? So they'll be able to do that here with animated flip books that they can use just like this, right? So yeah, if you want to secure your content from being distributed elsewhere, then this is an awesome way to do this. You have a quick flipbook that you can embed to any website and turn into an ebook into an interactive flipbook experience. All right, so this is available for you, right? Let me see, at a one-time price of $77. Again, this is a bit of a niche. If you're into this, if you have, let's say, for example, some trainings that you don't want to be downloaded, this is a good thing that you can do as well. So you can convert your ebook into a scrollable interactive flipbook. And we have the last upgrade here as well, which is going to be our job finder, right? So again, there's going to be a lot of people looking for ebook cover designers, or even for those who can publish or format the content they already have into an ebook. So what this does is that it actually lets you search through multiple job classified websites. Let's say from Freelancer, Golance, Crop, Behance, 99 Designs, FlexJobs, and others, and find contracts that you can fill and offer your services to. So this is going to be the auto job finder here. All right. So let me open up here. Let me show you this. So auto job finder is available here. So yeah, it actually um, lets you connect to all the job search or job classified networks and find jobs that you can fulfill with Scribble. All right, so this is available at a one-time price. Let me see, of 197 bucks. Again, if you want to, let's say for example, if you want to minimize the time you have to find clients or find jobs
or quick jobs that you can do, this is a great upgrade to get. But even the main offer in the pro version is enough to get you started. All right. So guys, if you're jumping in, give me a quick one or a yes in the chat. And all of the upgrades as well as the main offer is covered with a no questions asked 30-day money back guarantee. So again, you don't need to worry. You just need to use the software. You have a full 30 days to try it out and generate results with it. And if you're not fully satisfied, just contact support and get a full refund. All right. So guys, let me know if you're holding back. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Otherwise, we're gonna wrap things up. I already sent the handouts as well. Those are exactly what you can publish in less than 2 minutes, less than a few clicks. Imagine what kind of content you can do if you have 10 to 15 minutes to spare to create the content that your customer wants. So there's a lot of how-to blogs out there. Imagine turning those how-to blogs into actual ebooks. That's the possibility there with Scribble. All right. So for those who already have access or have already purchased access for Scribble, all you need to do is just contact support. It's support.kyvio.com. Send us your JVZoo receipt, and we'll send those bonuses to you guys within 24 hours. And if you have any problems with Scribble, like login problems and all, you can contact their support by support.scribble.com. Second upsell is the Prime. That is available for $47 one-time fee. That is a 15 new templates every month for the next 12 months. All right, Prime. Let me do that. 15 designs per month for 12 months. $47 one time. There you go. All right. So any other questions, guys? So I'm gonna paste the link one more time here, and let's do a quick Q&A before we wrap things up. Again, this is the only webinar we are going to be doing for Scribble. So if you have any questions, if you have any if you need any clarification with any part of the software, let me know here. Otherwise, we are going to end this call. Okay. All right. So since I don't see the price is gonna go up by 3 p.m. Eastern, so you have around 4 hours or so to do that. For the first day, I think only the main offer will go up, right? And the rest of the OTOs is after midnight tonight. No problem, Joy. All right. You're welcome, Gabriel. All right, so guys, I do hope you enjoyed today's call, and I do hope to see you in the next one. Again, get access to this, guys. This is an amazing tool. We even provided you the done-for-you lead magnets there to help you hit this and start generating results with this as soon as possible. All right, so have a great day, and I'll see you on the next call. Bye, everyone.